Gross the most, man. I'm with you. You really got game like he got the real game. I want to read his book one day.
I read his book.
You read
it? I read it years ago. It was
I fuck with you now for real. That's
so,
what
I read it.
That means you on some different shit. Nah, Ray told me about that book. He read the whole thing.
Right word.
There's read them.
There's read too.
I was about to say I know There's about
do be
red.
reading shit, yeah.
There's about red.
I got that hoe from Walmart.
It built 5 ones.
I ain't got the attention span.
He's talking about when he had a stroke and everything. He's talking about a whole bunch of shit.
Like reading, bro. You like
It's
I
hard
was
for
reading,
me.
bro. You gotta read this shit and really like reading really open up your imagination. You reading this shit, it make you think like what's going on.
Yeah.
You really see a picture without seeing the picture.
I'm finna say that. You gotta envision the picture as you read.
That shit like
it's gotta be good enough for you to envision the picture. Like you gotta be seeing it in your head as you reading the type shit.